Chronic fatigue can feel like an uninvited guest that just won't leave. I know this all too well because I've been there. It's exhausting, both physically and mentally. But I want to share how I turned my life around and reclaimed my energy. First, I had to acknowledge the problem. Denial only made things worse. I started by tracking my symptoms and identifying patterns. I realized that my fatigue wasn't just about lack of sleep. It was about stress, diet, and even my environment. Keeping a journal helped me see the bigger picture and pinpoint what was draining my energy. Next, I focused on my diet. I cut out processed foods and refined sugars, which were like quicksand for my energy levels. Instead, I embraced whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. I also started drinking more water. Hydration is key. I was shocked at how much better I felt just by making these changes. Sleep was another crucial factor. I established a bedtime routine that signaled my body it was time to wind down. I turned off screens an hour before bed, dimmed the lights, and even picked up a good book. Quality sleep became my best friend. I aimed for 7 to 8 hours each night, and it made a world of difference. Then I incorporated gentle exercise into my routine. I started with short walks and gradually increased my activity. Movement helped boost my energy and mood. I found that even on days when I felt too tired, a little bit of stretching or a quick walk could lift my spirits. Mindfulness and stress management were game changers for me. I began practicing meditation and deep breathing exercises. Just 10 minutes a day helped clear my mind and reduce anxiety. I also made it a point to spend time in nature, which recharged my mental batteries. I reached out for support, too. Talking to friends and family about my struggles made me feel less isolated. I also sought professional help when I needed it. There's no shame in asking for guidance. Lastly, I learned to listen to my body. I stopped pushing myself to meet unrealistic expectations. If I needed a break, I took it. I learned that rest is productive, and it's okay to prioritize my well-being. As I share these steps, I want you to know that overcoming chronic fatigue is possible. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to make changes. If you're struggling, remember you're not alone. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Studies show that nearly 20% of adults experience chronic fatigue at some point in their lives. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more insights and share your own experiences in the comments. Your journey matters, and together we can support each other on the path to wellness.